Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now, as we all know, Apple announced Vision Pro, which is basically an AR and VR glasses that you can use. And today in this video, I will show you how you can get an early access to Apple Vision Pro and if it's possible. So, as we all know, these are basically the glasses that they announced. They look really cool, but they come in at a price tag which is $3,500 as far as I know. And this is basically how the glasses look like, right? Now, unfortunately, as you can see, there is no specific Apple Vision Pro release date that has been given at this point, other than it will be landing at some point early next year, or maybe even early or later this year. So as you can see, this will be for US markets and for purchases made via apple.com. So we assume that early next year likely means January or February 2024. Now you can sign up directly to Apple's site right here to be notified on Vision Pro. You can just hit notify me here and just make sure to go and put your email address. And this is basically how you're going to get the updates and how you're going to jump on early access when Apple Vision Pro becomes and releases in the early access. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can get early access to Apple Vision Pro. For now, there's no yet any updates about it, but maybe in the future, in the early future, who knows? But this is basically the update on how to get early access to Apple Vision Pro. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.